In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're focusing on a simple, essential task: canceling a Google Calendar meeting. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect so the cancellation is clear for you and anyone invited. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser. You can type calendar.google.com in the address bar and press Enter. If you're prompted to sign in, use the Google account associated with the event you want to cancel. Once Calendar loads, take a moment to make sure you're viewing the right account and the correct date. You can switch between day, week, and month views using the buttons at the top. Choosing day or week often makes it easier to spot a specific meeting. If you don't immediately see the event, scroll through your calendar on the left to the right, date and time. Next, click on the schedule you want to cancel. In Google Calendar, this is the event block that appears at its scheduled time. Clicking it opens a small pop-up with the event details. This pop-up typically shows the event title, date and time, guest list, and any Google Meet link. If you need to confirm you've selected the right meeting, check the time, the description, or the attendee list here. Being sure you're on the exact event you intend to cancel helps avoid accidental changes. Now click Delete to cancel the meeting. The Delete button usually appears as a trash can icon or as the word Delete in the event pop-up or the full event view. When you click it, Google Calendar may ask whether you want to notify guests. Sending a cancellation notice is best practice so everyone is informed and the meeting is removed from their calendars. You can also add a short, clear note explaining the reason or next steps. If your event is part of a recurring series, Calendar will prompt you to choose whether you're deleting just this occurrence or the entire series. Pick the option that matches your intent, then confirm. After you confirm, the event disappears from your calendar, and invitees receive the update. If the meeting included a Google Meet link, that link will no longer be active for the canceled event, helping prevent confusion. That's all there is to it. Open Google Calendar, click the scheduled event you want to remove, and select Delete to cancel. A quick review of the date, time, and guests ensures the right people get the right message at the right time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next guide.